Him are the second fastest man in a history. You get what me just say, me general? Not because the sickness reach him.
Yeah, man, me hear everything what you say, man.
Not because sickness reach you and Blake and age catch up on him. And he still, the competitiveness in him, still feel like say, yo, he can go, can't be him. Me can't this him, and me see him. Me see he's not an outspoken youth, he don't know if it even talks. You understand? And when me go in a store and hear how the girl them are dealing with him, it hurt me heart so much that that's me have to say, yo, how wicked it can be so? How a man to become the fastest man in a history to the fastest man in a history where the two of them are food? You don't know what you have? Key man that do anything for have you and Blake in a prime. Mr. Key man that do anything. When you get Trinidad that do anything for you and Blake, then did have as the second fastest man. Well, listen to me. We too blessed and we too gifted and we have too much blessed people. So here we are going. You know what we say we do, Mikey? We take all of them for granted. We take all of them for granted.
True, man. Real talk.
Brother, there will come a time. Sometimes I sit down and see people say some things about Beenie. Sometimes I sit down and see people say some things about Bunty. On the internet. I say, wow. Wow. Want it, can't get it. And get it. You understand? Brother, as much as me and I can't plant gungo line, my lad, I don't want to hear nobody styling. You don't believe me? If I know me alone are styling,
believe man.
Brother, listen to me now, dog. If I know me, I say something bad about him. Brother, if I say something bad, it cut me heart because me have him say him and me virgin back then. And that's why I tell you, say, yo, if somebody did really love you, then can't hate you, man. Don't worry yourself. So, Mother Road, love you guys.
Yeah, real talk.
And before me come off my live, me have to tell all of you guys, let me tell you something. Bigger problem I got in Jamaica right now. You know, me have to go black that pussy one now. Because you are going now. Some man come upon your life. And I tell you, I saw me know say most man about him man still, you know. You can't come upon one man life. Brother, let me tell you something. We don't fuck Batty my out. I will, if me I am afraid, me now come upon your life. You don't know that, Mikey? Me tell not, brother. If me,
you know what I mean, man.
If brother, me not like you, me not go upon your life. Me not even a company can tell us if you suck your mama. You that will never happen.
Brother, for your family school through and me pop up, family school through and pop up on your life, me never the top there, sir.
If me not like you, me not come upon your life. Me not even come over there and tell you if you suck for your mama. That's what me, you know what me ever do? Me a wait till me see the artist where me love live. Me go over there and say, make him boy Khago go suck him more. Me not do that. And you will get black too. If me not like you, me not do that because I sit there by out.
Khago.
Eh?
Khago.
Yo.
Yeah, hear me?
Mother Road.
Alright, see before you end your life, I'm gonna say something to you. And yeah, as me done tell you from day one, me general. Adi am an artist. Cartel to the world, you can't say nothing. My mother a Christian, and I got my mother yard, and I'm the only. My mother got 6 away. I'm the only one. I'm a guy. Yard, play a blood teeth cartel song in the house. I'm a big man. Khago, I'm tell you something, Khago. You know why I rate you? I'm going to tell you why I rate you. I'm tell you, say, you're the second artist on my list. And I don't want you to feel no way, because I don't tell you, Adi am an artist. Adi straight. Adi. Zane, you hear me?
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah, man, I listen you, man.
Khago.
Yo.
You hear me?
Yeah. Internet.
Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me?
Internet now go on good, man. Yo, my general, what go on?
Yeah, I listen to you, Khago, but, as I may say, you're right, General. These people, they don't like it. So why you want to come on people live and tell people go on and eat their mother? You understand?
Yeah.
And that's how these people can contribute. They sort your mother and you put dead and they want to hold you the son and all these things. I seen them to me last night over what? Sure, I don't agree with what you are saying. I see it a different way. You understand?
Yo, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I understand. So, sometimes I even want to join a heated conversation because these people are literate and dark. But all of this soon fade out. Just give a few days and a few weeks.
No, man, you are going on now. Remember saying, this is something we start. You know, say it did have to happen. You understand? And
yeah, we know
something we start, you have to face it. No disrespect, I know did it, but you have to face it. And understand, say, listen. One man against the world, me have to turn up. Because me know say the only thing you can say is, suck your mother. You broke like dog. Suck your mother. We just know say that you know how to say. So you know, say, listen, you have to just make sure say that start off the August morning. It not happen tomorrow.
These people are sick of people, you understand? And one man, and who's to about those guys, if you check them age, them in them early 30s, so them don't really know him. They almost come so out the internet and just a follow. You understand? If you check it out. You get my point?
Let me tell you something, General. You see what I'm going right now? Some people just want to set things for sure so they're loyal.
And then don't lie, Because and just few weeks them start jump bandwagon. You know what's a Jamaican state? They love jump bandwagon.
Set things for they're loyal. But we tell you, you have to turn up and you see when you know where for your help and for your blessing come from. You have to turn up. Because let me tell you something. The biggest hiccup someone have right now at this page name TikTok and Facebook and YouTube.
Exactly. And so what's that when TikTok gone? What them gonna do?
You see when you master it for yourself, they want to get rid of you.
Exactly. Yeah, man, see a long time there, Khago. Long time there,
When you master this thing for yourself, Raga, where you can come on and turn it on and you have something about you where people don't like and something about you where they like. That is the best.
Yeah.
That is the best seasoning you can have for social media. They know if all like you. But you see, when you see a man I take it too far, you have to block him.
Exactly. You have to block him. You have to block him. Nothing.
When you see a man I take it too far, say, Khago, say, this is one of the one we spotted that stab you with a knife right now if you want next man.
Not at all.
And then
I didn't even know the man.
This is one of the one with a run one knife up in your right now. And don't even care if you long enough and run through the man's son. And kill it straight away. You never know that? Because,
right.
yes, me want to push one long knife through you and make it run through you and go through cartel to son, then push you and ring you so. Because me no care what you want to do. Me you go listen, me a kill next and go listen to what they say you did say. And then listen to me. Tomorrow morning, you know what they do? You start saying, Lord Jesus Christ, boy. You know, say, you know, me should have gone listen. I never that the man said that. But mother road, God a road. Bless up yourself. Where you there, Jamaica, me general?
Oh man, I'm foreign me live, man. Foreign me live.
Foreign there. You know we done with that, you know, that we not even going to mention one more word about that.
No. We, you know, one move away from that. Leave that alone. You understand?
This are Khagonians movements too strong. We all know that.
Exactly.
We know that it was coming.
Yeah, we know that. I tell people say you're one of the smartest. You're one of the smartest artists because you do. We no artists never do in a Jamaica. You understand?
Yeah.
Go in your grum and put on the food when none of them never do. You understand? I mean, I admire you for that.
Never play